How to make Spotify not add songs to your playlist. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you that how you can stop a Spotify to add a random songs in your playlist. Now guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest update. Now guys, with a lot of researches, I just found the solution to fix this problem is that now guys, if you have the playlist which have less than 15 songs on your playlist, then what Spotify do is they automatically add songs on your playlist to complete the 15 songs. Actually, if we do not keep at least 15 songs on our playlist, then the Spotify itself add the songs automatically in our playlist. So to fix this problem, what you have to do is you have to select at least 50 songs. At least you have to add 15 songs on your playlist, and then Spotify will not add any more songs to your playlist. This is the only solution that will help you to fix this problem. And this was I was also facing this problem, and with a lot of research on the web I found this solution, and this actually works. And then guys, this is how you can fix the problem. You just add 15 songs on your playlist, and then Spotify will not add any more songs on your playlist. So this is how it works guys. If this video was helpful for you, please give a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.